If you're finding it a bit hard to keep up with the various state and federal criminal cases Donald Trump is facing, don't worry, Planet America is here to help. President Trump is currently facing 91 felony counts in 2 state and 2 federal cases. The New York State hush money case was the first time that a former president had been criminally indicted. It's the first to go to trial, and it may be the last. The other state case is in Georgia, where Trump is accused of conspiring to steal the 2020 election under anti-racketeering or RICO laws. The case is due to go to trial in August, but a delay is likely because of a scandal around the romantic relationship between the district attorney who brought the charges, Fani Willis, and the special prosecutor she appointed, Nathan Wade. Meanwhile, both of the federal cases against Donald Trump are on hold. The Washington DC election subversion case brought by Special Counsel Jack Smith was due to go to trial back in March, but it remains in legal limbo as the US Supreme Court, which includes 3 justices appointed by Trump, considers his claim of sweeping presidential immunity. They're expected to rule in late June or maybe July, but could throw the issue back to the lower courts to decide, making it unlikely it'll get underway before November's election. The Florida federal case involving 37 charges relating to Trump's illegal removal of official documents when he left the White House in 2021 is perhaps the simplest case to prove against Trump. He not only took them and stored them in unsecure locations at his properties, including a toilet, he also refused to give them back when the government asked for them. But the Trump-appointed judge, Aileen Cannon, has slow-walked the trial, which is now postponed indefinitely and very unlikely to proceed before the election. And if Trump wins the election, he can appoint an Attorney General who'll make it go away. 2 other major civil cases against Trump have already been decided this year. In one, he was convicted of fraud. In the other, he was found liable for defamation and sexual abuse. But despite a damages bill approaching $500 million, so far the polls suggest voters don't seem to mind.